Hi guys, Faith here from the Koru Team. Last year we had a short but meaningful trip to Christchurch, and I wanted to share all of that with you guys. Christchurch has this calm and relaxed vibe, but at the same time it's so full of character. Nature, art, history, you can see all of it as you walk around the area. One thing that really stood out to us was the art scene. Parang open-air gallery yung buong city. Murals, sculptures, interactive installations. Parang everywhere you look, may bago ka talagang nadidiscover. Of course, hindi kompleto ang trip kung walang food trip. Christchurch is such a melting pot of cultures. So alam niyo na, the food scene is super diverse. From Japanese, Indian, Mediterranean, every meal here feels like a mini world tour. But what made this trip extra special was really catching up with our Koru clients and friends dito sa Christchurch. Yung dating nakita lang namin sila sa Zoom, this time nakakakapit, nakakainuman na namin sila in person. Nakakatuwa to see them settling into life here. You'll also notice how unique Christchurch feels compared to other cities. After the earthquakes they suffered in the past decade, ang daming bagong builds and fresh infrastructure. The city feels modern, walkable, and full of opportunities, especially if you're in construction, engineering, or manufacturing. We also got to visit ARA Institute, one of the largest polytechnic schools in New Zealand. They've got a wide range of courses from business to engineering to health, all with a hands-on learning style New Zealand is very well known for. But more than the places, it's the people we meet that make every trip memorable. Every conversation reminds us of why we do what we really do, helping Filipinos start fresh and build better lives here in New Zealand. Christchurch may be calm, but it's full of life. And if you're exploring your next step, whether it's study, work, or just a change of scenery, this city might just surprise you. Thank you for joining us on this trip. Follow Koru for more kwentos and behind the scenes of New Zealand life.
In Christchurch, everything's a playground.